What's up, Ashutosh here from Platforuma. Let's get started. Good morning everyone. Today in this video I am going to introduce you to Virtual Studio Code, some of its extension and method that will be very helpful in your web development part. So let's quickly move to our Virtual Studio Code window. So here, when we click on our extension icon, you can see that I have installed 3 extensions, and today in this video I am going to show you one by one the use of these 3 extensions. So our first extension is One Dark Pro. One Dark Pro is a theme and it sets our Virtual Studio Code to a dark mode. So it will be really helpful when you code for long hours. And next is vscode icon. vscode icons give files a distinguished pattern, and here you can see in my live example that my HTML file has HTML icon, my document file has a document icon, and lastly my GitHub file also has a GitHub icon. And now my last extension is Live Server. Live Server gives us the live preview of what we are coding. So I will show you it by example. So here is my ashu.html file, and I will go in my top right corner there is a go live option. When we click on go live, it gives us the preview. So here we can see that there is our this is my Chrome window, and I have a h1 tag. In h1 tag I will write hello world, and when I will save it, you can see that it's printing hello world. And so I will give you one more example, my h2 tag, and in h2 tag I will also write the same thing, and when I will save it, you can see that it's printing the same thing. And now at last I will give you some of the methods that will be very helpful while you are coding and will save your time. These are called Emmet abbreviation. So the first Emmet abbreviation is shift plus 1. Shift plus 1 will create your boiler tag, and it will save you time for creating a head, body, HTML. So and now my second is creating a class inside a division. For that you have to simply write dot and the class name. I will write it dev1, and you can see that I have created a division and it has a class dev1. And now I will create ID also with help of this. For ID it's hash and dev2, and you can see that I have created a division with a dev2 ID. Thank you, and explore more. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.